ride, boy. Up, up. Oh, what a good dog. Excuse me, y'all. Be right back. Dang, Pistolita's on fire. Very good. Good form, good posture. They're like, nah, we're not thirsty. We will be.
Come on, Maria.
Oh. No. Oh! He's in. All right. Check this out, guys. Caught the first fish. Woohoo! Yeah, this guy's a keeper. He's more than 8 inches. Ow!
Come on, you can't be afraid of a fish.
Oh, no.
She isn't.
It's just. Oh no! I thought it unhooked himself. Oh.
When I try.
Oh dear. Okay, there we go.
Bring it in the shore, because I don't want to slip out.
Let's see.
Throw it on the dirt racks.
Yeah, he's 8 inches. He's a keeper. You guys want to keep him?
I want to eat him.
You want to eat him now?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to eat him. Thank you, fishy.
Rest in pieces.
Rest in pieces.
Mine got hooked. Mine got tangled. I meant.
Alright, so we're going to... Next, this is why you want to cut right here in the gill. Because you're going to put your finger in here, guys. Okay? You're going to put your finger in. Side. Grip him tight because you're going to tear it out.
Brutally dead.
You're going to tear out the guts and stuff. Okay, that...
Feed it to a dead fish. I mean, a fish. The dog's gonna go after it.
Camo, don't. Camo. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm tearing out the guts and stuff, the stomach.
You should rinse it out.
Yeah, we will. Okay?
Oh, I almost fell.
Now look. See this black line?
Yeah.
That's the poop line.
That sounds like a spinal cord.
Yeah, that's the spinal cord I'm rubbing on, so you're going to scrape it with your thumb. Rinse it off.
Yo, it's brown. It's brown. It's brown water. Ah! Camo.
Good boy, Camo. Okay? And you just want to clean it off like this a little bit. Okay. Did you guys clean that grill I told you to clean?
Yeah.
Okay, because we're going to place them on there. Just kind of clean them off a little bit. Get as much as you can out.
Grandpa would love this. I used to do this.
Say that again?
Stop staring at me. Just kidding.
Are you going to eat me? Please!
Yeah, fish was about your height, son. I have a picture of it. I'm 5 foot. I was like 4 5. I was like.
Thank you so much, Fish.
like
We so
huge.
appreciate you. You're going to feed
have a
this
picture of it.
family
See
of
when you're a
4.
teen?
Now my bestie's gotten the fish and just taught her how to get a fish. She's done this before when she was a little girl too.
It's been a while. 12 years old.
Yeah.
I'm 30 now.
You're 31. Oh yeah, 32.
32.
Oh yeah, you're older than me. A year older. No, just a few months. Few months, yeah. We're in the same year, just a few months older.
Yeah.
Because in July, mine's in October. Kiama's so excited about the... Oh gosh. See y'all? You can learn to gut a fish too. Us women can do about anything. We just gotta do it. Right, Vika?
Yeah. We can do everything.
Yeah.
Just put our mind to it.
Exactly. If we put our mind to it and just try it, you know, you'll succeed. You never know. This is the best part about camping. You see this cute little chipmunk. I mean, look at how cute he is. Standing up on his feet and his little hands, eating just like we are. And look who's right by him. Camo. He's pooped. He's tired. And look, he's using his little ducky as a pillow. That's the cutest thing. Vika and I are just here munching on some Lays with some lime and tapatio. Can't go wrong with that. Camo. 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 Where is he? Where is he? No. Oh, not that way. Where is he? Over there. Go over there. Get him. Over there. Get him. No, no, no. Over there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Get him. You were looking at him. Oh, puppies. Hey guys, here we are. What is today, guys? Saturday? Sunday? I don't even know what day it is anymore. We're out here just enjoying the beautiful shoreline at Timothy Lake. Taking selfies, having fun, skipping rocks. I said, ah! Camo, no! Camo, no! Sit! Camo, sit! Camo's intrigued about your rock skipping over there, guys. Hey, Wave! Are you excited? Having fun?
Oh, some of them actually did it.
You guys are right. There's like such a beautiful view here.
It's so beautiful.
It's so beautiful. I'm just kidding, guys. It's actually.
Hey, oh no, Camo, come. Camo, don't get wet. I don't want you to get wet, buddy. Camo wants to go and get the rocks. What, you want something to say? You want something to say? He's like, yeah, let me go sniff around.
Dang it, I lost it.
Okay, you got it. It's a disc, nice and smooth.
Oh, 3.
Wow!
It goes high up in the air. Then.
Yeah, it goes boing, boing.
Yeah, it goes.
Oh, there you go, Isaiah. Good job. Okay, son. Ready? Come on, Camo. Oh, I can't even. Hello, can you see me? No. Oh.
I can see my phone.
Oh, it's kind of hard to operate with one hand.
My phone.
Record video. Oh, is it recording?
Yeah, it is. It's recording.
I didn't. Hey guys, we are crashing. We are so tired. I don't even know what time it is.
I'm bragging because I got 2 phones.
This is our tent.
Boy.
Vika's over there snuggling in. Isaiah's down
Oh
there.
my god, my eyes.
Hello.
Ace.
Hello.
Hi, people.
Camo's on top of me. We're like literally squashed in, but we are so happy. We're all
I
having.
think we're more warmer because there's more people in here.
Yeah, we have a lot of.
And this thing's like lava hot.
We have a lot of body heat in here right now, so we ain't gonna be cold tonight. I felt last night I was a little cold, but not too bad. We've had so much fun. I caught 1 fish. Isaiah, how many did you catch?
1.
1. Ace, how many did you catch?
0.
It's okay. But Ace was the chef, and Isaiah and I caught the fish.
Son, are you?
Worked out
got
great.
Columbia, socks. You want Columbia socks? Yeah.
We're gonna wake up early and have some breakfast,
Put 'em on.
and then get ready to
Mommy,
go
take the
back.
pink
I miss my
You should have the gray
horsies.
ones.
I hope they're okay.
Look
Quit
at this.
snoring. Holy
Oh my
crap.
Oh my gosh.
Kemma's
Where's
snoring
the actual
so loud.
I'm wearing them.
It's like Dad. Holy
No.
crap.
My actual socks, I was wearing them.
Poor pup, he's so
Where are they?
tired. We ain't even
It hit
waking him
on my
up.
feet.
We're
No,
like
no, no,
talking
put-
loud
put-
and
put 'em over
giggling.
your feet
He's
to keep you warm. Oh. I put them over my socks. I thought you. Oh my. No, put them over your
Don't.
socks, son.
do
You should have
not.
said that.
I'm petting
No.
him.
He's
I
so
did. I
sweet.
said
We
put
love
these
Camo.
over
He's
your
the
socks.
best.
You should put them on. Yeah.
Aw.
over your socks.
It's a nightmare.
Oh, don't have a nightmare, Camo. It's okay, baby.
This is yours.
These are Columbia socks. They should keep you warm.
Not beautiful. Good morning, followers and tubers. Hope you're doing well. Look at my hair. Disastrous. Day 3 at camping here at Timothy. Oh my gosh. Last night we got rained on and we're a little soaked. My tent isn't very waterproof. So we got a little soaked from the edges. But I did sleep so good. I didn't wake up with a sore back or anything or was uncomfortable. I was a little cold, but not too bad. Vika was graciously nice enough to bring us those hand warmers, so we were all packed ourselves with those guys. And then like throughout the middle of the night I was sweating and I was like, oh my god, why is my back sweating? Oh yeah, I had the little hand warmer in my back. So right now we just got the water boiling in our little jet boil. We're gonna have ourselves a little coffee. The boys are still in the tent and we're gonna be getting ready to pack here after we have breakfast. Check out our little setup. And that thing's so cool. I love it. Jet boils are awesome. Let's crank this up a little more. There we go. I just am so grateful and happy that we were able at least to camp at least one weekend out of the whole summer. I know my son wanted to do a lot of camping. We just didn't have the time. I was so busy with lessons and training. But hey, we made it work. We're having a great time. We bonded. This has been a mommy and son camping trip. So I'm very happy. He's hungry. Hey, son. Good morning. Good morning, sunshine. Oh, is your Bambi wet?
Bambi!
Good morning, Isaiah. Oh,
That was pretty bright.
I got the flash on. Sorry, guys.
It's okay.
How do you guys sleep?
Pretty good, actually, somehow.
Yeah? Good. You guys hungry then? We're going to have biscuits and gravy.
I don't feel like eating, like I said.
Last cast. Sorry, gotta go packing.
Oh, it's starting to rain.
Cama's alerting us of the dogs, the ducks across the lake over there. Good boy, Camo. Camo, that's enough. Good. We are loaded up, ready to
I
go.
tied it on there so tight, I don't even know if I will able to untie it. I didn't want it to,
Oh,
you know, the pillows falling out
Oh.
and we're stressing out the pillows.
I know, that's smart. Okay, so we're fully loaded. I probably have about, I don't know, 60, 70 pounds on my back right now.
Yeah.
I got everything in there. Okay, who had fun this weekend? Woohoo! Right, we love you, Timothy. Thank you for a wonderful weekend. We're out. I feel so weird now that I set down the heavy bag. Now that I'm not carrying a heavy backpack, I feel like I'm tilting over still. I'm going back into the trail. We lost Ace back here. He's carrying the big blue bag full of food. Maybe he got tired, stopped, and snacking to recoup his energy. The beautiful thing about hiking in is that you get the most beautiful camping spot. The ugly thing about camping and hiking in is you gotta hike in, and you got a lot of stuff. Not good. Are you okay, son? Here, let me help you. You're safe now. You made it. Oh God, this is heavy. Oh.
Heavier than the cooler?
No, my arm's just giving up. Ah.